Okay, slightly different flavor again, we have something called a while loop. And again, all three of these loops here are perfectly acceptable to use, and it becomes sort of a style decision then at this point. So these all really accomplish the same thing, both the for loop, the do while loop, and this last one, which is the while loop, in these examples are all accomplishing the same thing, which is just simply to create a loop structure. Okay, so let's talk about this last one then, the while loop. So the while loop is similar to the do while, but we've sandwiched the condition and the statement into one line here. So we use the keyword while, and then we evaluate a condition followed by curly braces where it will execute a statement. Okay, so here we're saying var fish, and we're creating an array which is holding the elements snapper, tuna, and salmon. And again, we're creating a variable I, and we're setting it equal to 0 initially. Okay, and as long as I is less than the length of fish, which is 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to print in the console the name of the fish. So this first time around, I will be equal to 0, and it will print snapper. Then we'll increment I by 1. It will check the while condition again, and it will say 1 is still less than the length of fish, which is 3. So here we'll say fish 1, which it will print tuna. We'll increment 1 again, and here it will say 2 is less than the length of fish, which is 3. And we'll say fish 2, and it will print salmon. And I will increment by 1 to 3, and it will say 3 is less than 3, and it will stop running. So again, this one will print snapper, tuna, salmon, just like the previous examples. So if you'd like to discover more about loop statements, you can check out the statements guide here at Mozilla Developers Network.